Imagine, skies blotted by swirling black clouds. Intrigued? Here's how these storms forever changed America. So picture this. In 1935, relentless winds whipped across the Great Plains, creating catastrophic Dust Bowl storms. Dubbed black blizzards, these suffocating sandstorms turned vibrant fields into barren wastelands. Entire towns vanished under layers of choking dust, forcing exhausted families to flee in droves. Desperate, the largest migration in U.S. history ensued. However, from this despair sprang a crucial lesson: respect the land. Innovations sprouted, with farmers embracing new soil conservation methods that reshaped agriculture. These practices signified a pivotal shift in federal policy, ushering in an era of environmental awareness. Who knew dust could provoke such transformation?